Now let's look at problem number 3. Calculate the slope of the line that passes through the points -3, -4, and 5, 2. Now graphically, rate of change is represented by slope. And in the previous problem, I showed you 3 different ways that you could find rate of change or slope from a graph. Let's see how this applies to when we're given 2 points. The change in y divided by the change in x will give us our slope. So when we're given 2 points, we can again make a table and put our 2 points in the table. Our first point is -3, -4, and our second point is 5, 2. So again, we can find our change in y, which is going from -4 to +2 is going to increase +6, and going from -3 to +5 is going to increase by 8, so that is a +8. So our change in y is 6, and our change in x is 8. So simplified, our rate of change is 3/4. So now let's look at our second method, which was rise over run. Now in order for me to be able to find my rise over run, I need to plot the points that were given. So the first point was -3, -4, and the second point was 5, 2. And now that I've plotted my 2 points, I can find my vertical change, which is my rise. And I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my rise is a +6. And my run, I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my run is 8. So my rise over my run is 6/8, which again can be simplified to 3/4. And now the third method was the slope formula, which was y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And so when I look at my y values, I have 2 minus -4 divided by 5 minus -3. So 2 minus -4 is going to give me a +6. 5 minus -3 is going to give me a +8. And when I simplify 6/8, that is going to give me 3/4, like the other methods that I used. So again, the 3 ways that we've used to find slope is number 1, make a table, number 2, draw rise over run, and number 3, use the slope formula.